our funded and focused feature. A business compliance health check becomes a powerful catalyst when you're ready to rise to your next level. It brings every part of your business into clear view. Your registrations, your filings, financial records, credit profile, and operational systems. So you can see exactly what's strong and what needs refinement for bigger opportunities. As you tighten each area, your confidence grows. As your documents, financials, and structure become more lender ready, doors start opening that once fell out of reach. This isn't about getting organized. It's about stepping into a higher tier of professionalism, funding, partnerships, and strategic focus. When your foundation is solid, your ambition can finally expand without limits.